just... Guys, I found Pop Beanies. This is my first time buying these, and I thought at least more would be inside, but it's just one. Anyways, they're so cute. They're like little fruit slices, and they're very small. What if I just... That scared me. You see it? Oh, Labubu! Homie melon. Ew, my nails. Next one. Okay, it's not working. This one is... Oh, I forgot his name or her name. Zia. I'm butchering it, but this one is kiwi fruit. Oh, this is the Pinot guy. Pinot jelly, papaya. I like the pink one. All right, last one. Oh, Molly! Yay, no dupes. This is what I got. I need 2 more. Thank you for watching.